Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to remove filter from Snapchat picture or photo in just a few easy steps. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the Snapchat app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account so you can access your saved snaps and pictures without any issue. Step 2. In the menu, look for the photo icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on it to open your memories and get access to all the snaps you've saved. Step 3. Once you're in the Memories section, navigate to the Camera Roll tab. This is where you'll find all the photos and videos saved on your device. Now scroll through and select the photo you want to remove the filter from. Step 4. After selecting your photo, look toward the top right corner of the screen and tap on the 3 dots. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Edit Snap to enter the editing mode for that picture. Step 5. Now here's the simple part. With the photo in editing mode, just start swiping your finger from right to left across the screen. Keep swiping through the available filters until you reach the end. The very last swipe will remove any filter from the photo, taking it back to its original unfiltered look. That's it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.